Why would you like to go out?
Let's see what's going on.
Shall we?
Yes.
Excellent. How are your feet, Mum?
Fine.
How about a scarf? We've got shoes, glove, coat and hat. Are you ready to go out now, Mum? Seatbelt on. Right, let's go and see the sea and have some fresh air. We're just going to be half an hour, aren't we? What's the time? 12:30. Are we ready to go out and look at the sea?
Right, yes.
So you see friends, don't you, Mum, when you come out?
Hooray.
What can you see?
Birds on the low rocks there.
But just 5 minutes outside in the fresh air was nice, wasn't it? Right, should we go home then?
Yes.